Krishna kids. Today we are going to learn one of the favorites of Srila Prabhupada. What he used to cook for Americans to attract them towards Krishna. So let's make it. This dish is also called simply wonderful milk pedas. So for this we need 1 bowl of milk powder, half bowl sugar powder, 50 grams butter. If we need more then we can add, but this butter is unsalted butter, cardamom powder, few dry fruits which we are going to crush with this in the ziploc, and a bowl, and tulsi leaves for offering to Krishna. So first of all we take out milk powder, 1 full cup of milk powder into a big bowl. Then we add sugar powder into it, and then we will add butter. This is already taken out from the refrigerator for 15-20 minutes before, so that it is little melted. We should not heat it up and just keep on mixing with the spoon thoroughly. Your hands should be washed before, as I always say, and we have to mix it now with the hand. Just keep on mixing nicely. Now it started binding up, so we can just leave it aside for 2-3 minutes, and now we take out the dry fruits in the ziploc, and then we have to crush it with this. So I'm just doing it so that like that. So now these dry fruits are crushed, and now I'm mixing them in the batter, and it has become little in the dough form so that we can make pedas. Just mix properly. Yes, we have to add cardamom powder also. This is already made before. And then keep on mixing so that it will give nice flavor. If you want, you can add saffron or kishmish, dried grapes, raisins. You can add any dry fruit, and now it becomes into a ball form. So just roll it. I have rolled over the butter also so that it won't be sticky and our hands won't, like the peda won't stick with your hands while making it. So just keep on rolling over the butter, and now we start making into small parts, and this is Krishna's plate. So small laddus first, and then press them into like this, so it becomes pedas. You can make laddus also as well, but I like to make pedas because Prabhupada used to make pedas. So just make small pedas. Just first roll into a small round ball and then press it. And then on the top we can keep one kishmish, one raisin over it to decorate. You can keep cherry, you can keep almond, you can keep cashew nut, any dry fruit you can keep over it. It will look good and tempting and nicely presentable. So just I am going to make all like this. So all simply wonderful milk pedas are ready, and now we are going to offer it to first Krishna, and when Krishna accepts it, then only Prabhupada will accept it as prasadam. So let's offer it to Krishna with our love, devotion and with tulsi leaf. Hare Krishna. See you next time for another recipe.